It's so fluffy. Her hair is so fluffy. And it's kind of wearing something in her head. I should call her Rachel.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hello, we're going to Ealing Broadway and we're going to eat
McDonald's
in
first.
McDonald's first
Let's buy some
to buy some
toys, yeah.
toys. Mommy, buy toys, buy toys.
Sabihin mo dito is Aberdeen. We are
Dito
here
na sa hamper.
in English. We are here
We are here sa hamper.
at the back.
We're going to ice cream.
Yeah, like here.
There it goes. Okay. This is when we go to school.
That way.
That's St. Vincent.
St. Vincent.
That's the way to go to St. Vincent. Sometimes we go around the shop. Sometimes fix your bike.
Oh,
Like
this is
like my daddy fixed my bike yesterday
okay.
to my Rhodonian brake. Okay,
See you later,
bye-bye. Bye.
A few moments later.
It's there. 2 more stops. 3 more stops. Yes.
Hello. Baka mahulog yung camera mo.
This is a nice place.
What a nice day. What a nice day to go holiday again.
It's your holiday, so what for? Yan ang wala yan. Maganda. Mamaya sabihin mo. Oh. Kamay naman.
Look, guys.
Mataas mo na. Yan. Taas mo konti kasi. Look, guys.
Hello. Welcome to our kilogram.
Your channel.
Love.
Hey, guys. Picture muna tayo.
It's a nice place. Ano to? Church ba to? Church to? This place part of the Ealing Broadway, no? Ealing. This is the Ealing. Yes, si Jewel. Oh.
1, 2.
After church, pagkatapos namin mag-church, diretso rito, kain muna, then,
2.
ayan, that's my family, Jewel and Josie. Ayan, pasyal-pasyal muna, Jewel. Church open for prayer, quiet peace. Ganda lang church na rito. Tara na.
May bird pa. May bird.
Oh, may natutulog. Gisingin mo yung natutulog, oh. Okay. Catholic yata yan. Dito tayo, Bel. Tingnan natin dito. You like it? This is Jew. Diba? Ito yata yung school na sinasabi ni ano? Ni, sino ba yun? Ni... Hindi! Sino ba to? Ito yata. Ito daw sila nakakita eh.
Oh, yes. Dito nga.
tayo, share.
We go to buy toys after. After, not after.
No. Dito tayo. This is a nice
look
place.
at this place.
Yeah, look at this place. This is new one.
See?
Tian Tian Market. Look. Tian Tian Market Blues, oh.
Mark.
Basahin mo nga, Be. Tian Tian Market. Ito yung nag-ano sa akin. Ito yung nag-ano sa akin. Dito sana ako papasok. Yung wala sa
I
ko.
never seen this
Tian Tian Market.
before. I never seen this
Bago lang pala
before.
to.
I never seen this before.
Mobu. Mobu. Ano ba namin? Maganda pala rito. Oh, kasi ayan oh. Oh, kayo na yung ano ngayon. Ayan oh, di ba?
We're so sweet naman. Sa bahay ito.
Oh, lakad. This is a BJ.
Ayun ang pool pa, oh. Uy, taas dyan yun.
Gano'n. Oh, tingin tayo. Mag-ano tayo ng ano kasi mag-birthday si Jewel. Mag-birthday si Jewel. Mag-ano kami ng cake. Polka. Let's go. Mag-ano tayo inquire. This is Polka. This one? Ayun mo na oh.
Yeah, let's go.
Asan yung dyan? Ayan o. Ayun o malaki. Kulay malaki.
Crunchy raspberry.
O yun o. Ito ganito yan. Ganyan. Dapat lang. Ganyan. O kaya pink. Maganda yung pink. Pink na yung amin mo.
Maganda yan.
Raffle. Maganda yung traffic.
Daddy, Bobby, let's go outside.
O sige na. Tara na. Iwayo din dito. Let's go. Tanungin mo. Tanungin mo. O, pag birthday mo, dyan tayo ng cake. Yeah. Polka. This is a nice place, yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
Hey, what's...
No, click din mo. Tapos magtatanong siya ng cake mo. Yeah, come on here, come on. Yung ano na Jewel, remembers Nico's birthday.
Look at this.
Oh, flower.
And that's over pink. This is, guys,
What's that? What color?
it's pink. And
Baka makatihan.
some of are pink. And some of this are different colors. Like, do you want to see some tiny circles? There's many pink and green and blue there.
Okay.
And there's actually some yellow. Or
Where's Mami
orange.
Suba? Takar. Ayun, Bio, may playground to, no? Ayun, let's go. Oh, inaayos pa lang. Let's see. It's not operate yet.
Playground.
Ayun, tingnan natin. I mean, like Kidsona. Remember Kidsona?
Yeah.
Oh, let's
I
see.
like pink.
This is a new one.
Playground.
Ay, sus!
Let's go.
It's okay.
Playground. Let's go playground.
Dito. Bago, kids number 1 play and learn, oh. Punta mo na si Mami. Bagong open. Mag-open pa lang. Wala pa yun. Sinayos pa eh. Play and learn, no? Kidsona.
Let's go.
Kidsona. Ayun mo sa loob. Tingnan mo sa loob.
Oh?
Di ba ito? Here. Okay, mag-hide ka doon. Wala ka tayo. Hello. Ano to? Part ng Ealing. Punta na tayo ngayon sa Ealing Broadway tayo. Let's go to the Ealing Broadway na. They will wanna buy some
Toys.
toys.
Dickens Yard. Dito pala yung Dickens Yard party.
Let's go, guys. Dito.
Perhaps they have babies in their trolley, like that one.
Okay.
They have babies. And
O, dito sa kayo. Ha? Oh, ayan, ayan. Oh. Hello.
Ganda to.
This one, oh, Jimmy, this new one.
Nakita ko dati. Caution. Do not approach sleeping dad. Ay, hindi. May get grumpy if walking. O, di ba ganyan ba? Magiging grumpy daw pag sinanong.
Oh, bilhin mo para sa akin. Dalis din. Ito, martilyo malaki. O, sige, alam mo, naghahanap. Martilyo yung ulo mo, tuluyan ka, sakit mo. Which one? Of course. Oh, yan. Ano bibili mo, eh? Ayun, oh. What's this? Oh, ano? Ano to? Oh, baka maganda. Kapag 3 years.
Alam mo naman ang gusto niya. Hindi mo ba ito? Ganda ng color.
Meron na siyang ganyan, di ba? Oh, this one, butterfly. Regilo.
Wow.
Diyan? Ay, pwede naman. Okay na yan. Ganda pa. Tapos magkano, mas malaki-laki.
Sino ba yan?
Si ano, si... Okay yan, maganda ah. Maganda pumili ah. O sige, yan na lang. Oh, pwede mo mong suklay, pwede mo itong suklayin. O, let's go na. O, let's go na. Okay na. O, ayaw mo ng ganitong ano, color?
no,
Close. Close. This color ayaw mo.
Ano nila? Water bottle. Kailangan mo nang palitan yung water bottle.
Doon sa kabila tayo bumili. Doon sa may ano, sa may...
my new friend.
Gusto ko yung saan.
Ano sa ano doon? O, go na. Go, bayad na.
Wala na ba dito, iba?
Wala na yan ha. Okay naman yan ha. Ayun, baby. Ayaw mo na, ano? Okay yan, maganda yan, di ba? O, diyan maganda yung ano niya. Para kasi may susuklayin siya. This one, you need to suklay, eh? To brush the hair.
Daddy,
Yes?
for baby.
O, sige na, sige na.
Happy birthday.
Diyan ka dito, here. O, dito na lang. Ito na nga, binibidyo ka na nga eh. Dito ka, sit down. Sit down.
It's not comfortable.
Yan. Hello, dito tayo sa Ealing Broadway. Ealing Broadway tayo lang, di ba? Ayun o. Wow.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Can you take a picture of that?
Akala kayo may nakita.
No, I'm not going to eat ice cream.
Ah, okay, okay. Okay. O, picture ka dun. O, sige na. Pure gem na pala yan dyan.
Welcome to Jiwa's channel.
Ano tayo lang na ano mo nung sa bike ba? Yung...
I smell something.
Ang bango, no?
Daddy.
Oh, punta tayo yung ano, yung sporter. Let's go.
Why? going now?
We're going to the Decathlon. Po tayo sa mo supporters pag nagbabike ka. Ito maganda water bottle oh. This one oh. Ah, is that water bottle?
It's all together.
Hindi maganda para may ano siya, may... Kaya malaki no? Malaki siya. Be careful, Jewel. Don't run. While running. Shh. Bibili tayo ngayon ng ano ni Jewel, yung supporters pag sa bike para safe siya lalo. Here! My bike! So cute! Asan? Diyan, come here.
Hi.
Okay, mami. Magkano yan?
Ito na kasi
Magkano yan?
masyadong mataas.
Pick up it this way.
Diyan. Tanong mo. Where's Jewel? Magkano natin? Jewel? Ah.
Wala, try mo nga oh. Rian, Rian. Look at this. Try mo nga. Akin na muna yung toy mo. Dapat ganito yung brake, ganito. So, bakit hindi ba natin yung brake? Hindi mo ba chinek yan nung
Chinik.
pinaano?
Kasi maliit yun.
Dapat ganito. Usual, try the ano. Wait lang ito. Try it. Masakit. Wala, mataas pa, no?
Okay na yan kasi...
Try mo nga yung brake, try mo yung brake. O, diba? That is very, ano? Sus, magsayang lang ng pera. Oh, this one is good for you. Okay, one.
Tanong mo doon kung magkano. Tanong mo. Ice cream, baby. Morrison tayo? O, babay muna sa vlog, baby. See you next vlog.
See you yet,
O, babay.
Papa.
Bye! Oh,
Bye bye. See you next vlog. And I hope you see us again.
yeah.
And also tomorrow.
Thank you
Thank you,
for
Pay.
watching.
Thank you for watching, Pay.